Welcome to JH. We're taking a look at privacyhawk.com because we all know our personal information is currently floating around the internet like digital confetti. PrivacyHawk claims it can tidy up that mess by spotting exposed data, killing off spam emails, and booting your info off data broker lists. It even watches for identity theft, which is great because I'd rather not find out I've accidentally co-signed a loan for a stranger's jet ski. But is it actually legit or just another fancy promise from the land of broken dreams? Let's break it down. PrivacyHawk isn't just a shady landing page. They have actual apps on both the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Getting past those gatekeepers usually requires more than just a trust me, bro attitude, so passing their security checks adds a necessary layer of credibility. They're also surprisingly loud on social media, boasting over 17,000 followers on Instagram alone. That's a lot of witnesses if things go south, and it shows they aren't just three raccoons in a trench coat hiding in a dark corner of the web. Visibility usually equals accountability, and in this case, it's a good sign. The site claims they've been featured in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, and ABC, and for once, those aren't just logos they borrowed for clout. The features are real. We also appreciate that the founders, Aaron Mendez and Justin Wright, actually show their faces alongside the rest of the team. It's always nice to know real humans built the product and not a mystery internet robot with a hidden agenda. Now, for the juicy part, the reviews. Their own website is suspiciously glowing, but Trustpilot tells a more grounded story with a 3.8 star rating. Honestly, 3.8 is the honest student of ratings, not perfect, but at least it's not trying to lie to you. Over on Reddit, the land of brutal honesty, things are a bit more mixed. While many users love the insights into data tracking, others have pointed out that the app can be a bit overeager with permissions or flag normal encrypted traffic as a threat. It's a bit like a guard dog that barks at the mailman and the occasional falling leaf. To be fair, the developers actually jump into the threads to explain themselves, which shows they're listening and not just ignoring the peasants. It's definitely worth keeping in mind if you're the maximum privacy type. So is PrivacyHawk legit? Yes, it genuinely appears to be the real deal with a real customer base and actual media coverage. However, like that one friend who tries too hard, it isn't perfect, and its accuracy and permission requests might give some users pause. Our suggestion? If you're curious, start with a trial or a short-term plan to see if it actually makes your digital life feel more peaceful. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more tech reviews that actually tell the truth, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. If there's another service you want us to put under the microscope, drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.